Hello, welcome back to the channel. We need to find the perimeter of this quarter circle. I'm going to call it as A, B, C. By definition, perimeter is going around the figure, that is taking distance A, B plus distance B, C plus an arc C, A. Perimeter is equal to distance AB plus BC plus arc AC. But distance AB is a radius of a quarter circle. This is equal to a radius, and distance BC also is a radius. Arc AC this is given by 1/4 pi d. I can put it into a simple form, that is equal to 1/4 pi d is the same as 2 pi r. I can simplify here by 2. I got 2 by 2, 1. So this is the same as 1/2 pi r. So perimeter is equal to distance AB, which is the same as r, plus distance BC, which is also r, plus arc AC, which is the same as 1/2 pi r. R is equal to 14 centimeter, and I'll use pi as 22/7. Let us substitute this to our formula. We are going to get perimeter is equal to 14 plus 14 plus 1/2 multiplied by pi, which is 22/7, multiplied by r, which is equal to 14. That is going to be 14 plus 14, that is 28. I can simplify here by 2, 1. By 2, it is 11. By 7, it is 1. By 7, I got 2. 11 multiplied by 2, we add 22. We are going to get the answer equal to 50 centimeter. Perimeter is equal to 50 centimeter. I hope you understand the question that we have done. Let me leave with you with the question. If AO is equal to BO is equal to BO, and they have given us the angle of 60, find the circumference of this figure. You can comment your answer to the comment section. I will be happy to see it. For more questions about circles, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.